So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in internet options. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on connections. And now you want to click on LAN settings. And now once you're on this, you want to untick automatically detect settings. Make sure that you have everything here unticked like how it is on my screen. Now you want to click on OK. And then click on OK again. For the next step, you want to open up Microsoft Edge. Now once we're here, you want to click on the three dots in the top right. And now we're going to scroll down and then click on settings. And now once we're on this, on the left hand side, you want to search for secure DNS. We're going to scroll down. You should now be seeing use secure DNS. You want to turn this off. For the next step, on the left hand side, we're now going to search for startup boost. Now this will come up. Make sure that you have startup boost turned on. Now for the last step, you want to close Microsoft Edge, open it back up again, and it's going to be faster.